Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Just a reminder, this video reflects my personal experience with the service. SingleCare is a website, accessible at www.singlecare.com, that helps individuals save money on prescription medications. It partners with a vast network of pharmacies across the United States, offering discounted prices on a wide array of drugs, both brand name and generic. Users can simply search for their medication on the SingleCare platform, compare prices at different local pharmacies, and then present a digital or printed coupon at the chosen pharmacy to receive the discounted price. The service is free to use and doesn't require any membership fees or sign-ups. Individuals can utilize SingleCare regardless of their insurance status. It can be a particularly beneficial resource for those who are uninsured or underinsured, or for medications not covered by their insurance plan. Even if you have insurance, it's worth checking SingleCare, as their discounted price might be lower than your copay. SingleCare negotiates lower prices with pharmacies, passing the savings on to consumers. The amount you save can vary significantly depending on the medication and the pharmacy. The platform is easy to navigate, providing clear pricing information and allowing users to quickly locate participating pharmacies nearby. While SingleCare can provide substantial savings, it's important to note that the prices offered through their program don't count toward your insurance deductible or out-of-pocket maximums. SingleCare also offers a convenient mobile app, making it even easier to access discounts on the go. The app provides the same functionality as the website, allowing users to search for medications, compare prices, and access their savings coupons directly from their smartphones. With its user-friendly interface and potential for significant cost savings, SingleCare can be a valuable tool for anyone looking to manage the cost of their prescriptions. Remember to check SingleCare before filling your next prescription. You might be surprised at how much you can save.